Welcome friends, we have a new Nvme M.2 SSD enclosure with the display. This is a new tool. We are dismantling it and we will show what is inside. Then we will connect the Nvme and show you what it's showing. This is the cover, this is main, and the bottom there is a cable, a screwdriver and manual. This manual is also included. One cable, that is USB to C cable, a screwdriver, heat sinks and another screws extra. Okay, so these are our heat sinks. But if IC is heat, you can connect these heat sinks also. So these sets come with the box. Now we will connect Nvme. This stock available with us if you want this, and how to use if you want, we will show you. There is one screw backside. You can check here, one is screw is there. So we have to open this screw to open the back cover, and this is a front size. This is with the small display and this is heat sinks. The back side we will connect the Nvme. We have one working M.2 SSD to show you how to we are to connect. We will disconnect, we will open it, then we will connect Nvme M.2 SATA. For that we need screw or rubber, so we will open this one rubber band, or you can connect screws. Both options are there. So we will connect this. This is rubber for connecting the screw Nvme. So depend on your size, you can connect this Nvme like this. It is fixed, so it will not come out. Then if you want to close the cover, you can close the cover. If you want to use the permanent, just for testing, don't close the cover. If IC is heating, you can insert the heatsink also. So we are just testing, so we don't need to be closed, but we are closing it for safety purpose. So this is a one option. Now you want to connect now. This is our USB to C cable. We are using just giving the power. We will see its health. We will not connect with the computer, we just give the power and check the health conditions. You can check here, this is showing its health and all conditions is there. You can check here, wait for 5-10 minutes, then it will display all the structure of the SSD M.2 and SSD. So here it is showing me full detail. This is a small screen display. So how many health, operating, total data, runtime 26 hours, power on 46, temperature, USB charging, these all detail of the condition of your SSD just with connecting the power. If you want to connect with the system, we can connect with the system also. So to identify Nvme is okay or not, or how many health, you don't need to connect with the smart or all those things. It will show me the all details. Okay, now we will connect with the computer.